Hello everyone, Shravan Manthri here. Welcome to our channel CSE GURUS. In the next video lectures, we are going to solve Hackerrank problems and we'll see each and every question like we have to go to this prepare and go down to the algorithms. We'll take this algorithms topic. Inside it, we want to solve all these questions. And anyway, we'll start with the first one is a subdomain warm-up. There we'll find 10 questions first. We'll try to solve this, followed by the next questions like every subdomain. Before we start, I recommend to watch this patterns in C tips and tricks video in my channel, where you can get coding shortcuts and patterns, how easily you can make it. Trust me, you definitely can feel like the patterns are very easy if you watch this video. So here in the problem solving, we have selected the subdomain warm-up. In that warm-up, we have 10 questions we are solving now. Going to the first question. Solve me first. So go to the first question. I have given the link of this problem in the description. You can see there the description. If you click on exit full screen view here, okay, the question will look like this, where you can find first problem statement. Any question you will find first problem statement, then function, what you have to implement the function and what it has to return, which is either what is a value or set of values like that, and the constraints, what are the constraints for each variable. Then you will find a sample input followed by sample output and how the output you got it, like the explanation how it is correct. So you will find all those things in every question. Now we are taking the first one. In this question, the simple thing, you have to take two values a and b, you just have to return the sum. How to make it? It's a very easy question, we'll try to make it. So the simple thing is, if you have two variables, in order to add them you just have to use the operator plus. I'll just make it, just I'm taking a plus a and b, and I'll return simply a plus b. You have to write the code here. You call it as editor. You have to select the language here, which language you want it. So I selected C language. So here the constraints, basic definitions, header files, main function, everything is given. I suggest do not touch it. Only the thing that you need to do is you just have to implement the function which is given. Here the function, where the function has to return an integer, it is taking two variable values which are integers. So how to get the sum of two numbers? So you just have to return a plus b. That's it. You can see once the code is done, you just have to come down and run the code. See all the test cases here, two test cases are given. If they are correct, if your code is correct, those test cases you will find it as in green color, which means you have passed the test cases. The test cases are passed. For example, if I write a minus b, you run the code, you can see there it is in the red color, which means it's a wrong answer. So which test case is the wrong answer, there you will get red color. So anyway, I'm making here a plus b. You must check it out. If all correct, then only all the test cases will be in green color. Once it is done, go to submit the code. You will find all the test cases. Anyway, here you have only two test cases which are passed. Sometimes you might find 10, 20, 30, might be more number of test cases, and each test case, if you execute, must be in green color in order to get all the test cases passed. So this is what simple you can make it. We will see the next question, simple array sum, in the next video lecture. Thank you.